Wondering what seeds to start indoors in Michigan and the Midwest states and when? Well, you're in the right place to discover the answers. Welcome to a journey of sowing, growing, and reaping the wonderful rewards of indoor seeds. First off, let's delve into the world of tomatoes. These juicy, delicious fruits are a staple in many dishes, and the good news is that they're quite easy to grow indoors. Start your tomato seeds indoors around 6 to 8 weeks before the last spring frost date. That means in the Michigan and Midwest region, you're looking at starting them around late February to early March. Now, on to peppers. Just like tomatoes, peppers should be started indoors about 6 to 8 weeks before the last spring frost. So again, late February to early March is your ideal window. Next up, we have the vibrant world of flowers. Marigolds, for instance, are a great choice to start indoors. Begin sowing these beauties about 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost, putting you at a similar timeline to the tomatoes and peppers. Let's not forget about herbs. Basil is a great herb to start indoors. You can start these seeds about 4 to 6 weeks before the last spring frost. So for the Michigan and Midwest region, you're looking at a mid to late March sowing. Fast forward to the leafy world of lettuce. Start your lettuce seeds indoors about 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost. This gives the plants a jump start and allows you to harvest sooner. So again, you're looking at a mid to late March timeline. Then we have cucumbers. These refreshing veggies thrive when started indoors about 3 weeks before the last spring frost. So for Michigan and the Midwest, you're looking at an early to mid-April timeline. Finally, we have pumpkins. Yes, you can start pumpkin seeds indoors. Do so about 2 to 4 weeks before the last spring frost. This puts you at a late April to early May timeline. In summary, the timeline for starting seeds indoors in Michigan and the Midwest states begins with tomatoes and peppers in late February to early March, followed by marigolds, basil, and lettuce in mid to late March. Cucumbers come next in early to mid-April, and finally pumpkins wrap up the indoor sowing season in late April to early May. By starting your seeds indoors, you can extend the growing season and enjoy the fruits of your labor sooner. So go ahead, roll up your sleeves, and immerse yourself in the rewarding world of indoor gardening. Your future salads, stews, and flower vases will thank you.